Eh?
It's me, Agada.
So, Papa, I stopped at Ijele's house while I was coming back home. And shockingly, I met her and her father blind. And I remember you saying that you would deal with them the other time. So tell me, do you have a hand in this?
Obina, you are my son, and there's nothing I can hide from you, as long as it is for your own good. I only made her blind so that she won't talk about furthering her education, but accept your hand in marriage. As of her father, I don't have hand on it.
You did what? How could you? How could you make her blind? Now tell me, you want your son to get married to a blind girl or what? Oh. No, tell me!
No, my son, calm down. You don't understand.
Don't tell me to calm down, Papa.
You don't understand. The blindness is reversible. I will do it after she is married to you. Eh? You don't have to worry. Eh?
Papa, don't tell me I don't have to worry. You went too far.
Okay. What? I went too far. That's how I went too far to save her life when she was a baby. Now, her father has the guts to reject my son's proposal with flimsy excuse that he wants his daughter to obtain master's degree first. Now, Ubina, let me ask you. If she were dead in the fire incident, will he be talking about master's degree by now? I told you. Don't worry. Eh? I will make sure that Ijele did not marry any person except you. Your father, Ozibundu, you know what I can do. Yeah? You don't have to worry anything. Obina, my son, it seems that you have forgotten who your father is. You don't dare to play with me. Yeah? I'm a traditional herbalist. I kill. Hey, Obina.
Long live the prince of our land.
Hello,
my prince.
You're welcome.
Thank you, my prince.
Good. The negotiation with the oil company commences the day after tomorrow. And I want you to represent me in the meeting.
I will, my prince. Thank you very much.
I will not tolerate any form of compromise on your part. If you do, you know the consequences. Everything you'll be saying on that day, everything you do, should be in the interest of our people, the people of this land.
As my prince commands.
One more thing. Tell them at the meeting that the delay is too much. The project has to begin immediately. It has to commence. Else, we will not contemplate doing business with another company. Do I make myself clear?
I will, my prince. Thank you, my prince, for finding me worthy of this very assignment.
I hope you will not disappoint me.
Not at all, my prince. I will do my best. So finally. Hey.
Desperation, desperation, desperation is written all over you. Desperation, ooh, so bad. Being desperate reduces your what? Being desperate reduces your what? Being so desperate makes you look common and cheap.
Papa, no, he's back.
Yeah, catch it, my brother. Is he close enough?
Yes. What are you outcasts doing in my compound? Have you come to define my home? Huh?
Kajad, my brother, please. I'm sorry for accusing you falsely. I did not mean to paint you black. Just because you threatened me first. I am sorry, my brother. You are the only one who can undo my blindness. Please.
Oh no, we found out that it was the oil officials that did that to Ijele, simply because she refused to join them in stealing.
Okonkwo, I am not the one that made you blind. The gods did. And you, I gather, or whatever you are called, take this your blind master out of my house. Now, before I will cut off this your empty head.
Kajad, please, I'm only here to say sorry for what I did. Not that I mean to paint you black.
Take him away!
Kajad, you are my brother. Kajad, please.
It's
sorry.
not that you know that I'm not responsible. You were the palace accusing me, telling the Igbo and the prince that I made you blind.
Please forgive me. I did not mean to paint you.
Why not go and tell Igwe? In our company. Go and tell Igwe that I'm not the one responsible.
Ada, are we supposed to leave our former principal now that he's in pain and sorrows because the tradition forbids us not to?
Kechi, my sister, please do not talk like that. This is tradition where everybody obeys. Why would you want to endanger your own life?
Then what is his reward for being a good man? Is it not now that he's in pain and sorrows that we are supposed to stand by him? Why would the tradition forbid us not to go close to him?
Oh, Kechi. Kechi, please let us not go. Instead, let us write a letter to him and as well pray. See, God answers prayers we make for those who are right with him. Let's go. Don't worry, we'll pray for him.
Igwe. He was sneaking them out like a thief. When I caught him, he started begging. I am sure he was going to use them for money ritual.
Your Majesty, that's not true. That's not true. That's not true. My prince, that's not true. I was just taking them out for treatment. That's all.
Yes.
Will you shut up?
No. He was just helping us.
I am not talking to you. I got that. First, you defied yourself when you decided to stay with a man that has been ostracized from this kingdom. And now you're taking a step further. Take advantage of the blindness. Without further delay, you are hereby banished from this kingdom.
Jesus.
Hey.
And that is the final judgment.
Chukuna malugo
Where are you?
Papa, I'm sorry. I spilled the pot of soup.
Hey.
I was coming. Papa, be careful oh, so you don't fall like me.
Hey.
Papa.
Yeah.
Papa.
Sorry.
No problem. Papa, stand where you are. Maki Melo. Oh.
Hey. Where are you?
Papa, stay where you are. I don't want you to fall.
Hey.
Wait.
Hey. Hey.
Jesus. Jesus. Papa.
Where are you?
I'm here.
Hey. Hey.
I'm here, Papa. I'm here.
Where is the pot of soup?
Papa.
Hey.
I've spilled it.
Hey.
I'm sorry. I don't know. It wasn't intentional. It's like I stepped on it because I can feel something on my legs.
Oh, that's an accident. Hey.
What are we going to eat now?
Hey. My God shall provide what we eat. Let us just go inside. Let's go inside.
I am innocent, yet I've become a victim of your Akamo di kwacha, eluna na malugo na akamo di kwacha. Who stand for me? Who would speak for me? Shimo, shokuna malugo na akamo di kwacha. Akamo di kwacha. I am innocent.
Yes, sir.
What is the progress report?
Well, I understand the rhetorics and...
Long live your majesty. Greetings, my prince.
Greetings.
Your majesty, the maidens are ready.
Bring them in.
As your majesty pleases.
So, son, what of Mr. Bridge?
That seems fun.
Long live your majesty. Greetings, my prince.
Long live your majesty. Long live your majesty. Greetings, my prince. Greetings, majesty. Greetings. Greetings, your majesty. Greetings, your majesty.
Beautiful maidens of my kingdom, you're welcome.
Thank you, your highness.
My counselor,
Your highness.
I've had a visual sweep of all the maidens. What of the other one? One is missing.
Yes, you're right, your highness. The said lady is on her way.
Son, these beautiful ladies here shall remain in this palace for the next 3 months, during which I expect of you to pick a bride out of them. Beautiful ladies. I hope you will like one. The choice is yours, son. I hope you will like them. I hope you will make a choice.
My prince. My friend.
Counselor.
Your Majesty.
Take them to their rooms.
Ladies, this way, please.
Thank you, Majesty.
Thank you. Thank you, Majesty.
Thank you, Majesty.
Ladies,
To their rooms. For how long must this continue?
Behold the prince, so fearful, scary, but fearless.
Okay, at this point, I don't understand what is going on. I gave you a phone. And I gave you money. I mean, I paid you guys off. What are you doing here? What are you doing in the palace?
Ihoma, what is the problem? You think I'm a fool? Let me remind you that you didn't employ me in the first place. How then can you pay me off? How?
Ihoma, how much do you think the prince is worth to me? A mere chicken change of 300,000 naira? Hell no. The prince is worth much more than that to me. Anyway, if you have more money you can bring, then I'll begin to reconsider your offer. How about that?
Interesting.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll make you guys a promise. As long as this palace is concerned, I will make it hell for both of you.
Do no such things.
See who is talking? Anyway, thank you for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Wow, what a big phone. You know, henceforth, my pictures will begin to make sense to the prince. He just added color to my pictures. I love it.
Anyway, girlfriend, I thought you have so much money to throw around. Just bring it up. I am waiting.
Don't you dare walk out on me!
Nonsense!
A selfie!
Hypocrisy, arrogancy. Just imagine what you have turned yourself into.
Papa.
My daughter. Yes,
Papa, don't worry.
See, I brought all your belongings because you have relocated. Yes, and I know it is permanent.
It is, Papa. Let me help you carry
No.
it.
You want to put me in trouble.
Why?
By the time Prince Hannah will see his wife carrying load, what will you tell him? Egagwe again?
Papa, it's fine. I'll help you. Don't worry.
No. You are princess in the making.
Hey. And where are you taking the bag to? I don't understand. Where are you guys going with this bag? What's going on here?
Ihoma, you heard her. Where are you taking this bag to? You heard her. Eh? Okay, so... Hey. What did you just call me just now?
Ihoma.
Who is this girl? You just called me Ihoma. Pekin, put some respect to my name.
Exactly.
Princess Ihoma.
Exactly. Wait. You don't need to be told that my daughter is the chosen bride. Trusted, tested by the prince. So, when you want to address her next time, address her as Your Highness.
I don't know I disagree with you.
Osi?
You heard me. Respect yourself. I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know. Wait. Respect yourself. Respect yourself, bro. I don't respect anybody when I'm angry. I don't want to know your age. I don't want to know your position. Respect yourself.
Wait, sorry. Are you talking to my father like
that? If what? Huh?
Are you just spoke to my father like that?
Tell your father to respect himself.
Are you talking to my father like that? This is the Onowu of this kingdom. You are talking to my father like that.
Will you keep that thing you call a mouth shut? Nobody is moving in with any extra luggage. And that's our stand. The prince has not chosen anyone yet. So you are moving nowhere with your entire property.
Oh, so you think you have a chance of winning the heart of the prince? You think you have chances?
Yes, of course.
Hey, what I smell here is jealousy. I mean, they smell for nobody. Jealousy. Get out! Let me check my box!
Yeah?
Leave my dog.
Yeah?
Leave my dog.
Yeah?
Leave my dog.
See, you go nowhere.
Leave my dog.
Yeah? Yeah?
I don't have anything to say to you guys. Just carry the bag outside. Outside. Take it outside. Outside.
I'm on a journey to get what I want. I'm on a journey to get what I want. No matter what I see, no matter what comes my way, I'm on a journey to get what I want. Ready to sacrifice anything. No matter the weight of insult I get, no, 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 I will not give up till I get what I want. I'm on a journey to get what I want. I'm on a journey to get what I want. No matter what I see, no matter what comes my way, I'm on a journey to get what I want.
This is the time I have been waiting for. Ijele, I finally found you. I finally found my wife.
I'm on a journey to get what I want. I'm on a journey to get what I want. No matter what I see.
Papa. I'm fine, Papa. The king has done it again. He has performed another magic. Yes. Papa, this time it's dollars. Yes. In fact, I have been upgraded from naira to dollars. You won't believe it. Yes, Papa. It's $10,000. Yes. $10,000, Papa. Papa, I am so happy. Yes, Papa, I can't wait to thank him. He's such a nice king. How? Okay. Okay, Papa. I'll do just that. Don't worry. I'll keep you home for you, yeah? Okay, Papa. I'll talk to you later, yeah? Let me share the money. I'll call you back. Anyways, inform others about the money. So.
Okay.
I have a lot in my shop.
I am the chief guy. Let me share it together.
No, there's no need. Just tell them.
Thank you.
Behold the prince, so fearful, scary, but fearless. Behold the prince, so fearful, scary, but fearless.
Each one of you were brought here for a reason. A reason that pleases my father, the king. Not to steal from me. Who stole my $10,000? Bring it right now, else I will burn each and every one of you alive.
You hear them? Bring the money out. Who's the thief here?
Well, you should know by now that I am a man of few words. And I will not dare repeat myself. Who amongst you stole my $10,000? And what gave you the effrontery to go into my room even when you're not my personal cleaner? Speak.
Ihoma. Ihoma, you had better confess.
Okay.
Yes, you know about this money question. Okay? Please do not put us all in trouble. I don't want to go home yet. I am not done with this task. Okay?
Whoa.
You better confess.
Ihoma, confess, oh. Confess. Because we all caught you. Yes, we saw you. You are the thief. Confess. Mama, we all saw you in the morning sharing dollars. Please, confess and carry your cross all alone.
You stole my money?
Oh, about that? Okay, now that money was given to me by Your Majesty. $10,000. Your Majesty, it was the money that you put in my bag.
Father, did you give her my dollars without my consent?
How dare you? Is this girl all right? How dare you speak such falsehood against my name, the king of this kingdom? How dare you?
Your Majesty, maybe you forget, this is Ihoma. You've been putting money in my bag. In the house, you gave me a bag of money. You put a letter inside my pocket. You've been giving
Utachi! Utachi!
My prince.
Come here, come.
My king, my prince, my king.
Look at this evil. Cast her out of my presence immediately. Take that thing out of my presence immediately.
I know.
Cast yourself or allow me to cast you. Choose one. Come on from the casting.
My patience.
Come on from the casting. Come on, come on. Make way for the casting. Make way. Why? Cast yourself or allow me to cast you. Fast. Thank you.
Every one of you out of my sight now. Out!
International criminal! You don't see that? I don't like gun tip, fellas. I don't like gun tip here. Come on, get out! Eh? Oh, you want to fight me back? Eh? Do you know where I'm coming from? Come. I should come. You attack. You support. Support. Get man! I will sack you! Get man! I will sack you! Get man! I will sack you! Continue from here. Continue from here. You can't be useless here. Nonsense. I will give you. I'll give you Tashio. I will give you. Hey! This guy is poisonous. Get out! Put one. Don't be useless. Hey! Close this. International criminal. You don't see like I paid my dollar. Igwe, you need to increase my salary. Igwe, you need to increase my salary. I need rest. Give me my car. Hey! This one now. Bring it. Out. Sinenu, Walia flight. This Yoruba boy, you don't understand Igbo. Sinenu, you're still opening it. Don't do that. Just smoke it. It's very dangerous now. Ay. Igwe.
What do we do? I don't know.
Behold the prince, so fearful, scary, but fearless.
Hey! Ihoma. Hey! Ihoma, you are so fat. Ihoma, you are so fat.
Your Highness, what is the matter? How can a princess be crying in public?
Papa. Hey.
By the way, where's the royal card I brought you home?
Which royal car? Papa, there's trouble, oh. There's trouble. I'm finished. I am finished, Papa.
They shall not be casting down but lifting. You cannot be finished, Your Highness.
I have been evicted from the palace, Papa. I have been evicted. You say I'm not finished? My dead body is down for you like this.
By those urchins. Wait, you mean those urchins? Those girls threw you out from the palace and you cry home instead of reporting them to the prince, your husband.
Papa, it is the prince and the king that actually threw me out of the palace. Yes. Hey. Papa.
My daughter, if His Majesty denied you in public, then who is the secret giver? Honestly, King Achebe did not do well. He's not being fair this time. Huh?
Papa, he was the one that brought me out. He just brought me out and embarrassed me.
But you said you'll find the money in your bag.
With zip closed.
Huh? It means that the king will look for a way to bring you back to the palace. Yes. Why did you even mention his name? Couldn't you have said that you got the money from your benefactor? Eh? Anyway, that one may not be actually the one the prince is looking for. Hey, why did I give you this advice in the first place?
Papa. So I'll not be walking on the streets now, they will not be saying Ihoma is a thief. As in, people will now point at me and say, Ihoma, after everything I've done.
Don't worry, my daughter. I know that the king will do something to bring you back to the palace, so that you start living with the prince, your husband. You know, he has the power. The power lies in him to do all these things. Eh? Just calm down. There is still hope, my daughter. There is still hope. There is still hope. Calm down.
Papa, this won't pain me.
No.
This won't pain me.
There is still hope, I promise you. Calm down.
Being desperate reduces your what? Being desperate reduces your what? Being so desperate makes you look common and cheap. Being desperate reduces your what? Being desperate reduces your what? Being so desperate.
One down.
Makes you look common and cheap. Ready to kill, fighting all the time. Pride, anger and strife.
Obinna, please, have you locked the door?
No, your father is home.
He's not coming along. Why? No, now. We have to take my father along. Who will take care of him?
Ijele, listen. Your father's case is different. I am taking you to see a specialist. It is only the Ezemo that can reverse your father's condition.
I don't know how to go without my father. My father cannot take care of himself. He needs care.
Listen, I will take care of that. As soon as you regain your sight, I will handle your father's case differently. I will do it.
He's all I have. He's all I have.
My daughter, don't worry about me. My prayer is for you to go and come back with good news.
Father.
Go. God will take you there and bring you back. You will go there and regain your sight. My son, Obinna.
Yes, Papa, I'm here.
Oh, you are here? Please, go.
I will take care of her, Papa. We have nothing to worry about.
God will bless you. Go.
Father, how about you?
Don't worry. God is in control. Don't worry.
Father, please take care of yourself.
God is in control, my daughter.
Mama.
Obinna.
Mama.
Stop crying. Stop crying.
I'll be strong. You taught me to be strong.
Yes. I know you will go and come back with me. Go.
Papa, we have to go now.
Okay, I wish you the best of luck. Go.
Father, take care of you. You know, go.
You will be fine.
I know. I'm worried.
Obinna. Go where? Huh?
Father, are you sure you're okay?
I am okay, my daughter.
I am innocent, yet I've become a victim of your bawamo. Akamudi pocha, elunana malugo na akamudi pocha. Stand for me, who would speak for me? Shimo, shokunama.
you come to steal from me? What have you come to steal from me?
Mom.
How get that?
I sent.
Wait a minute. Is that not Haigada?
I sent Papa, popularly known as Haigada in this village. I have come to see how you and your daughter are doing. How is Jelle?
Haigada.
Papa?
Why did you have to put yourself to such a risk? You might be cast into the evil forest, main court.
Well, that is Haigada, not Hyacinth.
But who is the other person with you? Because I can perceive some perfume that smells differently.
Well, Papa, it's not about perfume now. It's not about any other thing but your daughter. Where is she?
Her fiancé Obinna took her to the city township for eye treatment.
What?
They just left 10 minutes ago before you came in.
Behold the prince, so fearful, scary, but fearless. Behold the prince, so fearful, scary, but fearless. He the mysterious, he be final, whether happy or sad. The wound, if you come his way, you go dey careful, no. If no be so, you go collect woto.
What the hell? Did you see my car? Why did you block the road?
The fairest of all.
The fairest, the fairness, the prince of the Nollywood kingdom, the only man that gathers all the gathers. Greetings, my prince. Haigada, Hyacinth. Is this you?
This is coconut tree.
Yes.
This is coconut tree.
Yes,
This is
I
black. The
told
color
you.
is black. Come and see. Thank you. Thank you so much. God bless you. God bless you. Thank you. I can see. I can see perfectly well. I'm seeing everything. Everything clearly. Just ask me anything. I'll answer you. I can see. May God's name be praised. May
Yeah.
God bless you for me.
Of course, I told you I will do more.
Oh,
I will do more. You deserve it. You deserve. I mean, you're so beautiful. You deserve to have your sight restored. Look at you, so perfect and everything.
I can see. Oh, that's another coconut tree. They go another coconut tree. They go upstairs. See everything. I'm seeing clearly.
Ijele, will you marry me? Ijele, please. Look, I truly love you. And I want to spend the rest of my life treating you as my queen. This will be the greatest gift of my life. I have never loved any woman the way I fell in love with you. Please do me this honor. Thank you. I promise I'll make you happy. I'll take good care of you, okay? I'm so excited. I'm the happiest man on earth. I think we should go and celebrate and tell your father. Yes. Into the car, baby. you're my wife. See? Woo.
I can see, Father.
How did it go?
It went well. Obina helped me restore my sight. I can see everything.
You can see.
Haigada.
Are you seeing me?
Yes, you're wearing a black t-shirt.
Yes.
And Haigada is seated beside you. He just...
Yes. He told me everything already. He is a billionaire who disguised himself as an ice cream seller and traveled down to this village in search of a wife. He just seeks for your hand in marriage.
No way. Ijele already said yes to my proposal.
Obina, you are here.
Yes, Papa.
Please come. Come. Oh, he's here.
Yes.
You are welcome. In short, I thank you so much for helping in restoring the sight of my daughter. May God bless you.
It's okay, Papa.
And continue to bless you.
Amen. Papa, I will do even more.
Haigada, you mean you are a billionaire that disguised as an ice cream seller to find true love?
Does it matter?
Yes.
Just to find love.
Just to find love. Luckily for me, I found one. Ijele. I've seen so many women, but I haven't seen that one that truly loves me. Thank God I found you. Say yes, and I will be the happiest man in this world.
Mr. Man, are you alright? What do you think you're doing? Can't you see a ring on her finger? My friend, respect yourself. Oh. Oh, who is he? Jesus, purpose. Right now.
This boy is funny. Can you imagine? Oh my God. What is wrong with this guy? Oh, what an interesting movie. Oh my God.
Uju, this is... Oh, you're here?
Yeah.
Enjoyment, baby.
Please,
Let me sip a little. Wait, don't be stingy. You know where you are?
What's wrong with you? Please give me.
Sorry, I didn't even know you're here. It looks like it wants to rain outside though. The weather has changed so bad.
Okay,
Yes.
I even have clothes spread outside. Let me just go and pack it.
Fast oh. Please.
Keep my drink for me.
Okay.
program is quite interesting.
What is going on here?
My queen, I am here for my prince. Nobody will take my prince away from me. I will marry my prince.
My prince.
Cast her out.
Okay, my prince. My prince. Oh,
My
sorry.
prince. My prince. I am here.
Hey.
Leave me alone.
Out.
Leave me alone.
Atakwanamalu. Bundle her out.
My prince.
My prince, I need assistance. Other guards.
My prince.
Sorry.